Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Penn National Insurance policy, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Penn National Insurance policy, begin by gathering your personal information. Ensure you have your policy number at hand. Visit the official Penn National Insurance website. Locate the Policyholder Services section on the home page. Click on the Activate Your Policy link. You'll be directed to the activation page. Fill in your personal details as requested. This usually includes your name, address, and date of birth. Enter your policy number accurately. Confirm any additional information as prompted. Review the terms and conditions provided on the site. Once you've read them, check the box to agree. Click on the Submit button to process your activation. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your policy is now active. If you encounter any issues, look for the customer service contact information on the website. Reach out to customer service for further assistance. Have your policy number ready when you call or email. This will help expedite the activation process. Once activated, review your policy details carefully. Make note of your coverage dates and any specific terms. Congratulations, your Penn National Insurance policy is now active and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.